Brenda here from Roaming and Recording, and today we want to show you an ocean view cabin on the Celebrity Summit. This is room 6002, so it is forward, and you've got storage there, lots of door space. Over here is some closet area, very nice, lots of space to hang your stuff up. I'll do the bathroom in a minute. So this is the bed. And there is a little seating area over here. I'll go up here and see if there's any, I don't see any USB or anything yet. That. And a little vanity area. That's very nice. Oh, here's all the plugs here, which is real nice. They have European and US and USB. And I'm going to show you our view right now because that's kind of interesting. We're still in the port of Miami, so we're looking at a Carnival ship. And we'll go back over this way and we'll show you the restroom here. Nice big TV screen right opposite the bed. And the bathroom is small, but it certainly has space for everything that you might need. And it has a nice shower area. And it's got amenities. So, all in all, we usually get the balcony, but this is kind of cool being up front. What about you, Craig? Do you like it?
I like it so far.
Thanks for watching. Our little channel would love a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Until next time, happy cruising.